name? Garbage sheet. Sheet? Garbage sheet. Sheet? What? Where are you putting on your face? Where?
You guys know it's recording, right?
Yeah. Oh, wait.
Go! Hey guys, it's me, Jasmine again, and I am here for you for another video. That's what I do!
I know.
Okay. Hey guys, me, Jasmine again. I am here for you for another video. In this video, I am with my wonderful, amazing cousin.
No, I look weird doing
Prima.
that.
Okay, again. Hey guys, it's me, Jasmine again, and I am here for you for another video. And today, for this video, I am welcomed by my magnificent hobo friend from the cross the street around there. Yeah, she calls herself my cousin. I don't see it. I mean, look at us. I mean, look at her. Today, we are gonna do the Never Have I Ever Chubby Bunny challenge with a twist. Yeah. And would you explain it, Karina?
Okay. First you say, never have it ever, and then you say something that you've never ever done. And then if I've done it, I have to put a marshmallow in my mouth
And then
say Chubby Bunny.
Okay, so, rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Ow! I got it.
Look, I have a bruise there.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
My bruise.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! I win! Okay, so you gotta first. Okay.
Something that you've done. Never have I ever had a YouTube channel.
Or be on one, you mean?
So you have to get one.
I never had one.
You haven't?
No.
Ah, you're a bird. Chubby bunny. Yeah. Yeah. Never have I ever filmed a YouTube video.
Wait, you have?
So I go to.
No, I've never ever.
Yeah, you have. You just didn't post it.
Oh yeah, I gotta do this.
Oh.
Chubby bunny.
Why?
Never have I ever lived in Dallas.
I've never lived in Dallas.
Actually, you have. We did before Kathy was born.
You.
Yeah. Ugh.
Never have I ever.
You said supposed to say Chubby Bunny.
Oh, chubby bunny. Never have I ever been to Mexico more than twice.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Okay.
Never have I ever been the oldest sister.
You could have said sibling. It would have been.
Whatever.
Chubby bunny. Never have I ever
Thank
lost the whole conversation in fairness. Yeah. Chubby bunny. Oh, no. No.
You went over
I swallowed one. I swallowed one.
You swallowed one? Like cold?
This is good. Whoa. Never have I ever.
Like, bleach her hair.
This is our video today. You've learned things that we didn't even know about each other. Now we learn more about each other. Cousinhood. Prima. Yes, I hope you enjoy. Please show some support to this gal right here. Like, comment, and subscribe, and
Please subscribe.
Everything,
She
man.
needs friends. She needs friends.
I know, man. I had to pay her to do this video.
Yeah, she had to pay me like $10.
But yeah,
I would've
please,
said
please.
20.
So yeah, please. So hope you enjoyed this week's video, and stay tuned for next week for some more exciting. If you would like me to do more videos with her, comment that down below, and yeah, see you later. Bye. I feel it coming. Ah, that was not a very good burp.
That wasn't.
Terrible.
Okay, and this is our cameraman. Show your face.
Show your face.
Show your face, sir. That's our cameraman right there. You say like top of our heads and everything?
Yes.
Do I look ridiculous and stuff?
More than ever? No. Same? Yeah.
What?
The lady up there.
I know. I wonder if she's gonna look at us like we're crazy.
Probably. She's like, what's that YouTube?
A YouTube?
The YouTube? What's a Me Too?
YouTube? Me too.
Apparently it's not them.
Hood Prima.
Oh!
Soy tu prima.
Uh-huh.
Tu prima.
Uh-huh.
Soy tu prima.
Yeah.
Tu prima.
Like I'm like, oh. Chicken. What? Huh? What the chicken? What the chicken? What the chicken?
Yay! Let's watch it. Okay. Oh. Beautiful! I'm still tired.